Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog on WordPress from scratch. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose a hosting provider. WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform, so you'll need a hosting service like Bluehost, SiteGround, or any other WordPress compatible host. Once you've chosen a host, sign up and get your hosting account set up. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. Log into your hosting account, find the WordPress installer in your control panel, and follow the prompts to set up WordPress. Once WordPress is installed, log into your WordPress dashboard by going to yoursite.com/wp-admin. From there, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. You can choose from free themes available or upload a premium one. Click Add New, search for a theme you like, and click Install and Activate. To customize your theme, go to Appearance and then Customize. Here you can adjust the site title, tagline, colors, fonts, and more. Each theme will have different customization options, so explore the settings to make it your own. Now let's create your first blog post. Go to Posts and then Add New. You'll be taken to the post editor where you can enter your title and content and add images or videos. You can also categorize and tag your posts. Once you're happy with it, click Publish. To set up a static page for your blog, go to Pages and then Add New. Create a page titled Blog and publish it. Next, go to Settings, then Reading, and set the post page to your newly created blog page. Plugins add functionality to your blog. Go to Plugins and then Add New. Some essential plugins include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Akismet for spam protection, and Jetpack for various features. Install and activate the plugins you need. Before launching, review your blog to make sure everything looks and works as expected. Test out different pages and posts, check for any errors, and ensure that your site is mobile friendly. And that's it. You've successfully created your WordPress blog. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!